flight and getting ready to go. We got the crew here, Stella watching, Dino, Rachel's ready to go. On our way. Now heading to Oahu. Should be there about 2:30. It is 10:45 Phoenix time, so we're getting ready.
And here we go
to roll out. Alright guys, 12 hours later and we made it. Stella barely slept. I want to say she might have slept 15 minutes the entire trip. I don't know how she does it. So it's 2:45 here and it's 8:45 back home. So there's our plane that brought us in. Good old Oahu Airport, Honolulu. And that's it. We're heading to get our bags now and go find Billy to pick us up. So
get some Korean barbecue.
That's right. Get some food. We officially made it. We got Billy here, Mr. Ogami racing himself, and we are going to our usual Korea house that Billy always takes us to when we land. It's God, we dream about this place back home all the time. It's so good. So that's where we're going now to get some dinner. We didn't get no food on the airplane, so we're actually dying here. Good time. Glad we made it. Everything's good. We're safe. And Billy scooped us up. Go get some food now.
I like to put it on top of the rice. That's
good.
It's
good.
really good.
Yes.
Billy, you want me to serve you a little bit?
I just like a little bit.
Okay.
Do a little bit. One
You want
scoop.
tofu or no?
Yeah. One scoop is good.
Like that?
Yeah. So you get a little mac salad, you get some soup, we got some sake, beer, meat's cooking, short rib, scissor.
Good deal. That's what we needed.
Oh, there you go.
The cook is at the table right now. I entertain you guys with some tricks.
Yes.
Yeah, there's a ton of food here. Alright, fast forward to Wednesday the 20th and we're rolling into Honolulu Airport to pick up Mr. Fujitaki, 808 Executioner. So he just landed and we're coming in right now. Listening to some Hawaiian music. What's it called?
Hawaiian reggae.
Hawaiian. But isn't it called something else?
Hawaiian.
Hawaiian, there you go. Hawaiian music we're listening to. Where's he at? Oh, he's right there. See him right there. We didn't see you.
What's up, guys? How you guys doing?
The man.
Yeah, we made it.
Jump in.
Oh, Billy, you gotta put your chair up. Wait.
Oh, what do we got? We got all kinds of stuff back here.
What's up, guys?
Yeah, buddy.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Stella.
A little dark. We need some light. We didn't see you standing there. I had my glasses on, so I couldn't
What's up,
see.
man?
All right, now we're on the way to Mr. Garrick Tengan's shop. Tenga, say that right? No? Tengan. Eddie's Auto Repair. So we're heading over there. We're gonna have a barbecue tonight, so we'll get some footage of that as well. Pulling up the tank. What's it? Tengan?
Tengan.
Tengan. I got it right this time. Tengan. Mr. Tengan. Eddie's Auto. The main man.
No.
And we got some spider webs to take care of. Well, we got to be careful as we don't confuse these two reds. I guess it doesn't matter, they're just power. Here we are, Eddie's Auto Repair for barbecue night. Paina. How's it, guys? Yes, sir. Look at this guy. Billy, how's the grinds? Good. Right on. Oh, boss man, sushi, noodles. Fish. Oh man, beer. Right on. Hi, Stella. Okay, look, we got noodles, egg rolls. Oh, chicken. Oh, more egg rolls. Oh, here we go. Messing up. Cut. Take two. Look, chicken. Oh, any kind style. Sushi. Fish. Sushi bake. Poke. For people who don't know, that's raw ahi made with onions and all kind of stuff. Brother Garrick.
What is that, sir?
Oh my, what is this?
Okay, I'm gonna get it in the
Nice to see you.
Oh my God.
What is this?
On Instagram, this is Brian Souza.
Oh yeah?
So first time trying.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. So Hokkaido, hamachi,
that's what
New
you got.
Zealand salmon, and then some uni for the boys try. Yeah, you can add in the uni for me, and then local ahi.
All right. Yes, sir.
How's it going?
Is this okay, guys? We're making the boss try some uni. How do you like it? Sea urchin, man. All right, it's fine. It's good. You ready? Yeah.
Turn off the light. Hit the switch.
Oh, Stella's birthday celebration. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Happy birthday to you. Woo! Happy birthday, dear Stella. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Get it, girl. Come on, get it.
Yeah! Good job. Oh, let's see if we get a picture with everybody.
God, look at that cake, Stella. Hey guys, we're back at Billy's house getting ready to get some sleep. We had a great time over at Garrick's shop, and now we are gotta be up at 3 in the morning to catch a 6 o'clock flight over to Hilo. So I'm gonna get all that for you, and tomorrow we'll get to the car and start putting it back together, install a new boost controller, and fire it up. So that'll be in the next video, so stay tuned. I'll see you guys in a couple days. Take care.